Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Cash App in any country. All right, so let's begin with the video. So for that, you will be requiring two things. And the first one is that you get a VPN, and it can be paid VPN or a free VPN. I will be showing you how you can get a free VPN and work around it. And the second thing is you need an email address, which is based in the countries where Cash App is allowed. So you can create an email address which is based in US, and after that, let's go and get a VPN. So open up your Play Store or App Store and then search for Windscribe over here. After that, this VPN will appear. Just install it. And after that, you need to open this VPN, and after opening this VPN, and then just expand US East and scroll down, and you will find this option of New York Grand Central. Just click on it and wait for it to load and connect it. And after that, you need to just open up your Play Store and then click on this option of your profile on the top right corner. And here you need to switch your email address with the email address that you just made based in US. And after switching it up, you can just search for Cash App on the Play Store and it will appear. And all you have to do after that is just install it and you will be able to make an account on it. So that's basically how you can get Cash App in any country. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.